ないという情報が入ってきました。
I just hope Lightning's okay. I sure would hate to see anything bad happen to him.
I don't know what's harder to find. Lightning McQueen or crew chief who'll work with him.
Lightning McQueen must be found at all costs.
They are all asking the same question. Where is McQueen?
The Radiator Springs Traffic Court will come to order.
Hey, you scratched my van. I ought to take a blowtorch to you, man.
You blocking the road. You got about the car. Yes.
Officer, talk to me, babe. How long is this gonna take? I gotta get to California pronto.
Where's your lawyer?
Maybe I should have hooked him up to Bessie and then took the boot off.
Goodbye, Radiator Springs, and goodbye, Bessie.
The shark, babe, has such teeth, dear, and he shows them early white.
Andy's going to college. Can you believe it? What are you going to do with these old toys?
Okay, calm down, guys. Let's just keep this in perspective.
Where's she taking us?
I should have seen this coming.
We'll be fine, Jesse.
Oh, I hate all this uncertainty.
New toys!
Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
Welcome to Sunnyside.
Stark. I build neat stuff. I got a great girl. And occasionally, save the world. So why can't I sleep?
You elected me on a single platform. I will defend this country at all costs. The Mandarin must be stopped.
Savannah.
Every year, millions of animals migrate home, but some are better at it than others.
Wait, this isn't New York? I said, wait, this isn't New York.
Well, how do we move through Europe without attracting attention?
What?
Attention! We have detected wild animals on the loose!
Zootopia, a gleaming city where animals of all breeds, predator and prey alike, live together in peace and harmony.
Hi, I'm Judy, your new neighbor.
Yeah? Well, we're loud.
Don't expect us to apologize for it.
ZPD's first rabbit officer, Judy Hopps.
You ready to make the world a better place?
Bad news in this city gripped by fear.
What can you tell us about the animal?